Using a heat pump is an easy and efficient way to heat or cool your home. The heat pump will provide a high level of comfort at a low cost. If you've had a heat pump for many years, you know this already, but maybe it's time to replace it? Old heat pumps contain gases that contribute to climate change if they are released. That's why the EU has strict regulations on who can work with heat pumps. You are not allowed to remove a heat pump yourself. Every year, thousands of homeowners have their old heat pump replaced. When doing so, it's crucial to recover the gas safely in order not to damage the climate. Make sure you hire an F-gas certified technician to remove your old heat pump in a proper and safe way. Agree in advance if you have to pay the technician to remove and dispose of the old heat pump. It's convenient to order removal of the old unit at the same time as ordering a new heat pump, since the new heat pump must be installed by an F-gas certified technician. That's how simple it is to replace your old heat pump with a new one.